Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Today we will again learn the same chapter, that is how many numbers. Before proceeding to the next exercise, I want to clear you on the first previous day videos. What is in that videos, children? In that I have tried to learn you the exercise of making the naming words in plural form in many numbers, and some of the words given, some of the naming words by adding s to make them in many forms, and but on other side some of the naming words added with es. There are some rules in adding es. What are that rules? The rules are the words that ends with s, ch, sh, o, x, that type of words should be added with es. Suppose this is box, box, box. Box, the last letter of box is x, so that x, the words that ends with the last letter x, replace boxes. X is added to the es, then it is box es. Okay, children. Now there is other word, that is church, church. The words that ends with church, ch letter, then there will also adding of es to make them in plural form, ch. Okay. Double s, like class, class, class. Now class, if you have to make in many of the class, many of the term, many of the naming word, then es only added to the class, class es. Okay, in class. In this way there are so many words given, like ends with o, s, sh, ch, x, these type of words that ends with these letter added with es to make them in plural form. Now we will we will proceed to the next topic. Just let's begin to the next topic. Children, today is 1st of June, 1/7/2020. 1/7/2020. Today is 1st of June. Okay, today is 1st of June. With the chapter you have to learn yet now is the previous chapter, and with new exercise. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter, how many numbers. In previous day, children, you have learned in that chapter so many things, you have learned the use of s or es in that chapter. Now we will start by new exercise. This is worksheet 2 continued but question 3. Okay, worksheet 2 continued, but this is the part of question number 3. If you have books, children, then concern with your book. What is given in that book? The question is, read the words given below and put them in the appropriate boxes. Okay, some of the words given here and you have to put in the separate columns. Okay, and you have to do with yourself, children. Okay, here I am giving you some words. What are that words? Suppose the words are first word K-E-Y. What is this? Key. Now next word, baby. B A B Y. Next word is baby. After then the word is family. F A M I L Y. Family. Now after family is a word that is fairy. You know more about fairy world. You have learned stories of fairies stories. Now the next word, that is monkey. The next word, that is monkey. Okay, and the last word, that is day. Okay, DAY. These are the words given in this worksheet 2 question 3. Key, baby, family, fairy, monkey, day. What to do in this? What to do with these words, children? You are getting surprised. This is the game and you have to do with yourself something new. Okay. First of all, we divide this. We will divide a line. Okay. We will divide the board with a line. And here is box. Here is box A and here is box B. What to do in this? You have to choose the different words in both the box. You have to choose out of this key, baby, family, fairy, monkey and day. You have to choose this. You have to keep these naming word in separate columns. Which type of words comes in box A, children? Do you know? The words that is the words with a consonant before Y. Okay, the words which have consonant before Y. Okay, before Y. And here is in box B, vowel before Y. If in a word consonant before Y, if the last word is Y, then before Y what is it? Consonant. And if the last word is Y, if the last word is Y, then vowel before Y. This is the recognition of the word, particular word. So what to do this? बॉक्स ए में आपको क्या करना है और बॉक्स ए बी में क्या करना है मैं बता देती हूँ. बॉक्स ए में आपको द वर्ड दैट एंड्स विद वाई. ओके, सारे वर्ड्स वाई से एंड हो रहे हैं चिल्ड्रन. लुक एट दिस वर्ड KEY, BABY, फैमिली, फेरी, मंकी एंड डे. ऑल द वर्ड्स एंड्स विद वाई. ओके, सारे वर्ड्स वाई से एंड होते हैं. बट इन बॉक्स ए वाई के पहले क्या आना है? यहाँ पे कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर होना चाहिए. ठीक है. इफ द लेटर कम्स in consonant before Y, then you have to write in box A. Okay, and if the letter ends with Y, before that vowels comes, then you should have to write in box B. Now choose consonant KEY. Before Y, E is what? E is a vowel. AEIOU. Vowel you have learnt. Vowel, which term? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the vowels. So recognize it. E is vowel. Okay, BABY. Before Y, B is vowel or consonant? It is consonant. Okay, we will आप लोग लिखते जाओगे. Okay, so that it is easy to select, so to choose in particular box. Family. Before Y, what is the word? What is the alphabets? L. L is consonant or vowel? It is consonant. Okay, very good. Now fairy. F-A-R-Y. Before Y, it is consonant or vowel? It is consonant. Monkey. Before Y, what is it? E is vowel. A-E-I-O-U. Now, the last word day. Before Y, what is it? A. A is vowel. Okay? Vowel. K is. Now, you have to write in this box consonant. Consonant वाले word कौन से हैं? Baby. First word is consonant word, that is baby. B-A-B-Y. Now, next word, consonant word, family. Family. Then you write in box A, family. Okay? Now, next word, next word, fairy. Fairy. Okay? Fairy. Fairy. You write in box A, fairy. Sorry children, fairy. Okay, fairy. Now in vowel, what you have to write? You have to choose what is first vowel word is key. First vowel word is key. Now write in key, K-E-Y. The next vowel word is monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now the last word, that is day, okay, D-A-Y. Then 3 words comes in consonant group and 3 words comes in what? Vowel group, okay. So this is the worksheet 2, question number 3 you have to do in your copy. Look at this children. Again once more I will try to understand you. How many numbers? Question number 3, there are few words given: key, baby, family, fairy, monkey, day. And box A, what you have to choose? You have to choose the word before Y consonant letter comes, okay, so that baby, family, fairy, these are the 3 words that ends with Y, but before that the letter B is consonant, the letter L is consonant in family, in fairy the letter R is consonant before Y. Now in box B children, vowel before Y, and the vowels are A-E-I-O-U. So suppose K-E-Y, before Y E is vowel. Monkey, before Y is E is vowel. Now day, D-A-Y, before Y is A letter is vowel. So that key, monkey and day comes under box B, and baby, family, fairy comes under box A. Okay children, after that if the words has, if the words has a consonant, if the words has a consonant before Y, what to do? Before Y, add it to what? Added to I-E-S to make them many. Okay, if the words has a consonant before Y, added to I-E-S. Yet now we have separated in these consonant before Y and vowel before Y into box A and box B. In box A we have kept consonant before Y. What is that? Baby. I have kept baby in this, and family, fairy. Okay, so you can add to these IES term. You can add to this IES term like baby changed into babies, family into families, and fairy into fairies. Okay. The second definition, if the words has a vowel before Y, added to what, children? Added to S, only S. Suppose in box B, what's the word we have selected? We choose key. Okay, then key changed into keys, KEYS, like that. Day, DAY, then days, DAYS. Okay. Monkey, MONKEY, then monkey changed into monkeys, MONKEYS. So this is the difference between consonant before Y added to the IES, and if the words has a vowel before Y added to the S only. Now this time you have to do 5 number. Question number 5. So many words are given. Okay, the first word, that is trophy, TROPHY, trophy. Now second word given, story, 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 story. C, body, BODY, body. D, tray, TRAY, tray. E, what is it? Story, story of apartment, REY. It is not story, a tale. Okay, story. Now F, what is it? Day, DAY, day. G, city, city. Okay. Now these are the terms trophy, story means a tale, storybook, body, stray, story, day, and city. You have to just follow this definition. Trophy, before Y, what is it? H. H is consonant. So if the word has consonant before Y, what to do? IES added. So trophy is changed into, if there are so many trophies, then the spelling is TROPHIES added to it. Now story before Y, what is it? It is consonant. R is consonant. Again story will be STORIES, IES added to it. Now body, BODY, before Y, what is it? It is consonant. D is consonant. So body, in body also DIES to make them plural. Okay. Now tray, suppose there is word tray, TRAY, before Y is a vowel, and before what, if the words that Y before vowel, what to do? You have to add only S. Here you have to add only S, then TRAYS. Okay, TRAYS. Now stories, before story E is vowel, then here only S is added to make them plural, STOREYS, stories. Okay. Now day, before Y vowel, then only S is added, D-A-Y-S. Now city, T, what is it? It is consonant. Now city is consonant, then it will क्या होगा? T, Y is changed into I-E-S. If the word is consonant before Y, then Y is replaced to I-E-S. Y is replaced. Y is replaced. Y is replaced. Okay. Y is replaced to form cities. C-I-T-I-E-S. Okay, children. Now, or more words are given. H. In H, family. Given family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. I. What is boy? Question is boy is given. Word boy is given. H-I-J. After city, family, fairy, boy. Sorry, one more. That is given in this fairy. After family, given fairy. Okay. And in J, boy, B-O-Y. H is given. H is I-J-K is, what is it? Country. After boy, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Now L. What is it? Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. And what to do with it? You know, now you are able to do this one. Family. Before Y, what is it? L. L word is consonant. So that Y is replaced to F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S. Y is replaced to I-E-S. Fairy. In fairy, R before Y, R is consonant. So that Y is replaced. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Okay. Fairies. Y is replaced. In boy, Y is vowel. So that only S will be added. B-O-Y-S to make them plural. Country. Before Y, R is consonant. So Y is replaced and form C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Countries. Okay. I-E-S is added to replace Y. Now donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Before Y is a vowel, then only S should be added. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Only S should be added. Now these are the words given. Trophy become trophies. Stories become stories. Body, bodies. Tray, trays. Story, stories. Day, days. City, cities. Family, families. Fairy, fairies. Boy, boys. Country, countries. Donkey, donkeys. Okay. These are the words given, children. I hope you all are able to understand it. So just try it to do. This is very easy. This is just a fun type of game for you. Just do in your copy. Okay, we will meet in next video. Thank you.